Hi, my name is Ken Davidian, and welcome to Organization Theory in Space, or OT in Space. This video series is based on the Oxford Handbook of Organizational Change and Innovation, second edition, edited by Marshall Scott Poole and Andy Van de Ven. During this first season, I'll be covering the entire handbook by major section. In the first episode, I'll introduce the structure of the OT in Space series, and then I'll review the introductory chapter of the handbook. The following 7 episodes will cover each of the 7 major parts of the handbook shown here. An important concept I want to make sure you understand at the outset is the way social systems are comprised of embedded hierarchies of different levels. The lowest level is the individual. Multiple individuals make up the next level, work subunits. Multiple work subunits combine to form organizations. In a similar fashion, the hierarchy levels continue upward with populations or industry segments, communities or industries, fields or sectors, and then even larger groupings of societies, etc. Levels below the organizational level are referred to as intra-organizational, and levels above the organizational level are referred to as inter-organizational. As we move through the 7 episodes of this season, I'll identify where each chapter fits on the chart. At the very end of the season, I'll give you a couple homework questions that you can respond to in the comments section, but I want to show those to you now so you can think about them as you watch each episode. The questions are the following. Which of the 4 ideal motors of change were most interesting to you and why? Did I incorrectly place any of the handbook chapters on the hierarchy chart? And if I did, where should they have gone? Can you provide other ideas of how any of the handbook chapters relate to the space sector? And finally, what chapters did you find most interesting and why? Next time, in episode 1 of OT in Space, I'll give an overview of the entire video series, and we'll begin at the very beginning with chapter 1, introducing the handbook content. Anyway, I hope you find this video series interesting, and if you do, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of the content as it gets released. Thanks! OT in Space is produced by Impossible Research, LLC. Impossible Research, or IRL, mainly conducts process research on the topics of innovation and industry emergence within the context of commercial space industries. IRL also offers research consulting and STEAM outreach. This video is intended for educational purposes only.